different. With your warm-up, we are going to do what we call take a side. So what I'm going to ask you to do, based on question number 1, is if you picked Mr. Freeman, you were going to go to this side of the room. If you picked David, you're going to go to this side of the room. Your job is going to be to pair up with someone and share your reasoning for why you think David or Mr. Freeman helped Melinda more. Do we have questions?
No.
All right. So if you pick Mr. Freeman, go to that side of the room. If you pick David, then to that side of the room. And then as soon as you find a partner, pair up and start sharing your thinking. Make sure you justify it with evidence from the text. All right, pair up. You could be in a trio, you can be in a foursome, it's up to you. All right, you three. You three. You two. You two. You three. Go. Share.
I said David helps
David helped Melinda more. I think she showed her how to stand up.
I just think David helped you. He's always there. And he actually he helped you with that.
What else do you think, Gil?
And he helps make a difference. And he keeps
What do you think?
I said
Should they really have friends?
yeah.
Alright, I can see that most of you have ended your conversations. So now what I'm going to have you do is, because I do want you to think about the other character in this. So, I want you to switch sides, and I want you to explain and give reasoning and text evidence for why the opposite character helped her more. So again, Mr. Freeman's side, move over to David. David, move over to Mr. Freeman. Pair up again and share why you think that that person actually helped Melinda out more.
Hey, child. Sit down.
I'm gonna start.
Okay. I think Mr. Freeman helped
Oh, you have to talk.
Melinda more.
Why do you think
When Melinda, in the beginning, when Melinda got mashed potatoes thrown at her in the cafeteria, she went running, and then she went with Mr. Freeman.
I think so too, because when they were in the car,
And their students are not allowed to eat in the classroom, but he is a kind of a rebel.
Yeah.
and when they were in the car together, they were talking.
Well, we can't be the only one talking. The rest of you should be paired up with other people.
I think Mr. Freeman, he always supported her.
When you know how he's an artist, he was like, oh, show your the tree
He would
as
support her
how
so
you
much.
are.
He would
Try to show you
let her in her class. And then
In her class or his class? To do what?
to work, but at the same time,
Oh, and he made Melinda not give up.
Yeah, because she was gonna get
But he didn't care about the rules, but why was that a good thing?
Nothing is perfect.
Right? We're gonna help her out.
Nothing is perfect. Flaws are internal. Be the tree. That's what he told Melinda.
And I think he broke the rules for her.
And
He worried about.
okay, so that's how you don't know it.
And then when she was done with make sure and knows about our days of like because she
Because she had like a bad
Alright, I see David's side is done.
You know where
You can go back to your seats. Mr. Freeman's side, come back to your seats. Chill out. Alright, so I just want to see how many of you, again by show of hands, felt that David helped Melinda out more? Alright, hands down. How many of you feel like Mr. Freeman helped Melinda out more? I have a little less for Mr. Freeman. Ureli, what did you talk about when you said that Mr. Freeman helped Melinda out more?
When he drove her to the mall, and then he was talking about, like, he was talking to her, and then he told her that if she ever needed anything, he would be there.
How was that helpful?
Because she knows she has somebody to go with.
Yeah, right? Anybody else on Mr. Freeman? Larry, what do you think?
he inspired her by showing her emotions on art.
Yeah, he pushed her to show her emotions through art. Nick, what else?
I said that Mr. Freeman helped her because at the very end of the book when she felt that she was comfortable enough to tell him about how her life was.
Because what was that last quote? What was the very last line in the book?
I'll tell you about it.
Yeah, let me tell you about it because she's finally ready to share her thoughts. David's group. Why did you say that David was more helpful? Rachel?
Because David says that don't expect to make a difference unless you speak up for yourself. He wanted to make Melinda stand up for herself.
Even though you might not have known the reason why, but it did help. Anybody else on David? Katie?
Because he helped her with that part, the cult thing. Yeah, but he helped her like set it up.
Yeah, like it helped her with her whole project, right?
And like throughout the book, he's like giving her advice and stuff.
Even though you might not know that it's really helping her with her,
Yeah.
deeper issue. It is. Chloe, final thoughts?
David gave Melinda like real advice. Like he didn't sugarcoat anything. He just said, you have to.
Yeah, he's real in a very nice way. You gotta speak up. You can't just be quiet if you want to get your voice heard. All right, sweet. Thank you. You can get out your independent reading books.